When my 81-year-old mom started having issues with her neck and her shoulders, I wanted to get her a heating pad that she didn't have to hold down like that one. And so I grabbed this one off of Amazon. And what I really like about it, what she likes about it too, is each of these edges, can you see that hem? There's weights in there. It's little bean bags all the way around. And I like that because that means it's sitting on her shoulders and it's putting the heat where she needs it. I want to show you what she likes best is this little snap right here so that she doesn't even have to think about it. It's already sitting on the spot where she needs the heat the most, which is the back of her neck and her shoulders, and she's got her hands free. It's not plugged in right now, but it does have a digital controller that works really, really well, and you just decide high or low, however you want to set it. The cord is decently long, so depending on where you're sitting or where, you know, like if you're laying in bed with this, it's going to be fine because you'll plug it in right there next to the bed. In her case, she was in her recliner in the living room and was a little bit farther from the outlet than I needed, so I just did a quick extension cord, so no big deal with that. And she really liked it and it worked really well. Thanks for watching.